Hi, this is James Sedley, and welcome back to the Living in Naples channel. Today, I'm very pleased to be joined by a special guest, Sarah Arcanti with Coastal Custom Mortgage. Sarah is my absolute go-to person for all things home financing related. She actually was the loan officer for my last purchase, which was just an unbelievable process. So I go to her first these days for sure. And I think you would be in very good hands if you have any questions related to anything related to a potential home purchase and financing. Definitely reach out to Sarah. She's a wealth of knowledge and a lot of experience in the field and just a great all-around person. Sarah today is going to talk with us in the first of a couple of videos from her over the next few weeks. She's going to talk to us today just about the general housing market and really specifically about interest rates and how those may impact and maybe should or shouldn't impact your decision whether to purchase at this time. So with that, let me just thank you as always for tuning in. Appreciate you liking, subscribing, and sharing. And now we'll kick it over to Sarah.
Hey guys, my name is Sarah Arcanti and I am a senior loan officer with Coastal Custom Mortgage. We're a locally owned and operated broker out of Savannah, Georgia, and we're also licensed in Florida and South Carolina. So I'm here today to briefly discuss with you the housing market right now. I wanted to give you guys my opinion as a lender because I know so many of you are concerned and confused about should you buy now, should you sell, what do? You need to move, should I rent? So, number one, if you're going to be house poor because of the rate increase, I would advise not to do that, okay? Either lower your purchase price or continue to rent because that's something I would never tell you to do something that you are uncomfortable doing, okay? If you are concerned about it's $200 more a month than what I would like to pay, but I can still swing it, I just don't really want to. That's the person I would tell, hold up, let's look at it differently. In our area, homes appreciate on average 4% or more per year. That's not going anywhere, okay? I went to an open house the other day. Every single person that came in that open house was from New York. There are people moving down from New York to Boston, all the northern cities, bigger cities like California, or states like California that have a lot of income tax. So they're moving into our area, and our area includes Florida, South Carolina, and Georgia, okay? We're seeing a big population increase. Population is demand, supply is still low. Homes are going to keep going up. Okay, this is just our area. Again, I'm not talking about anybody that's not in this area. So you're taking that 4% on top of your purchase price. So that means you bought your home for one amount. A year later, it's going to be worth 4% more. That equity, the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe on it, is your money. Okay, so that's just in your house, not in your pocket. It's like your house is a savings account. It's giving you a 4% rate of return. Okay, that 4% rate is going to trump the $200 a month or whatever it is that you're worried about. You can find it with a budget, but your house is going to take care of it and you do absolutely nothing. You just live in it. That's all you're doing. That's not even counting your principal payments that you pay every month when you make your payment. That's also reducing the balance owed on the home and giving you more equity. So that's the way I like to explain to people. The rates, nobody keeps a mortgage for 30 years. They're not ideal. They're going all over the place. You're not going to get a unicorn right now. It's just not going to happen. I would just say, be careful of the inventory. If you find a house you love and you can afford it, even though it might not be exactly where you want to be, buy it because our inventory is going to be gone. Okay, there are people out there going under contract. It's happening. So my concern is for those folks who are worried about the rates. What does it really mean to you? Everybody's different, right? So just put it down on paper. Doesn't make sense. Don't forget about the equity. And if you have any questions, 912-660-1770, or you can always email Sarah, S-A-R-A-H, at coastalcmtg.com. Thanks. I hope that helps. Have a great day.